God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be kind of like a vlog. Me and my man are doing date night. My face is beat. Make sure you tune into that. We're gonna be outside. It's very nice outside. As you guys know, it's the summertime. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna have a picnic. I'm cooking dinner right now, and I'm gonna show you my outfit and everything. And we just gonna really vibe outside. I love this because this is something that I feel like is very needed as far as us just enjoying nature, enjoying God, playing board games, taking dinner outside, like just something different. Date night doesn't always have to be, you know, going out to another place, you know. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. So let's get into it. So on today's menu, I'm gonna be making some beef chunks with some mashed potatoes and gravy and some mixed vegetables, and it's gonna be so good. So I want to show you guys some games that I'm gonna bring out to our picnic date. So this is two different troubles, as you guys can see. This one is like more of the older version. It's not the original, but this is the older one, and we actually like this one better. And this is the newer one that we have. I think I'm just gonna end up bringing both. I don't know just yet. And we have some Uno cards. Lost the box, but we have so many different Unos. Like we have Uno Remix. This is the original Uno. And we have Uno Flip. And then we also have Mancala. Okay, I put him on. I put him onto this, and I be spanking him every time. You're just gonna see what we wanna play. You guys are gonna see me pack all of this stuff away. See, y'all, I was not playing. Like, we are literally filled with games, okay? But we're not gonna bring all of this because this is for like big game nights at our crib, you know? Dinner is done, and let me show y'all what I made, because one thing about me, your girl cook, okay? Oh, here is some mashed potatoes with gravy, and I have some steak bites over here. It's really beef chunks, like I told y'all. I got some peppers in it, mixed vegetables. This is cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. Okay, you guys, so here's my outfit. This is like a Yankee shirt, a top. It's kind of oversized, and I'm wearing my jean shorts, and I'm also gonna put like some sandals on. So I'm gonna show you guys like a full body, but we're going for comfortable vibes today, okay? Cute and comfortable. The sandals that I'm wearing, I'm most likely gonna take them off anyway, so yeah. When my baby comes in, y'all, I greet him at the door with a hug. Say I ain't see. If I don't do this, he's gonna be so disappointed. See, every day, right, Bubba? Mm-hmm. Look at my baby looking so handsome.
Look at the 4K mamas. Look at her. And then look. See, y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision?
I took sandals off already, but it's okay. We're taking to this food.
Heavenly Father, first and foremost, I would like to thank you for our days together. So much time and growing together and waiting for you. I pray that you bless everyone that watches this video. And as we eat, continue to make us more thankful for the food that we do have. And increase our faith, increase everyone's faith that watches this video. In Jesus' name.
What you think, babe?
What the hell would you put in this?
See the food? It's the gravy all over it.
You in there like a Spanish restaurant or something.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like Spanish food?
I told you, it smelled like Spanish rice in the house.
Cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots.
Oh, this is the garlic on it.
Yeah. I hope it's not cold.
That's cold.
Ah! Get away. I haven't had mashed potatoes in so long.
Like, bro, you could have moved closer to home and you worried about
I would just be in front of you. Look at you counting so hard. Oh!
Get away from me.
Give me kiss.
No, I'm giving you nothing right now. I'm not giving you nothing right now.
Why?
Because you killed me mad times on purpose.
It was only twice.
Nah, bro, you had another opportunity to get closer
It was
home.
only twice.
No, I don't want to hit no. Excuse me.
You're so dramatic. Give me kiss.
No.
Tell them now one day.
It was stupid.
Why was this stupid?
Because you were spanking me all the games except Uno.
We didn't play Uno.
Exactly.
But I won Mancala. I won Trouble. Both
It's all
boards.
right. It's all right because guess what?
Both boards.
It's going to be my turn.
What was it? What was the score? 5-1?
Oh, that's what we do.
No.
Off camera?
No,
Wow.
No, really, I want to know. I wasn't even trying to be funny.
Right,
like,
bro.
what was the score?
It was 5-1.
It was 5-1. Okay, but that's not terrible though.
No.
That's not terrible though.
That's a 5-to-1 ratio.
Okay, but that's not
That's
terrible.
a 5-to-1 ratio.
But that's not
That's
terrible.
a 5-point KDR, bro. Stop playing with me. For those who know what KDR is,
I
you know how bad that is.
I really wasn't
So,
trying to end it.
nah, it's too late.
Give me kiss.
No, I'm not your man. You can't be like, give me kiss. Pass me the plastic bag. Let's go.
Babe, for real.
For real?
Come love me.
No, get away from me.
Come love me.
I'm not your man. Excuse me.
Babe, stop. All right, you guys. So we enjoyed. You enjoyed dinner, babe?
No.
He being stank right now. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, whoever tuned in. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed date night, babe.
So good.
I enjoyed date night. With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe. You see, they're gonna catch this on camera. I'm gonna have a whole case against you.
We're gonna have like,
Subscribe, comment, share.
Not your man.
Bye, guys.